My dear viewers, now discuss some important defined terms based on ICSE class 6. Defined terms, that is element, mixture, metalloids, sedimentation, runoff water, aquifer, thermal pollution, eutrophication, solubility, troposphere, atmospheric humidity, fuels, photosynthesis. Now discuss. My dear viewers, what is element? A substance that is made up of only one kind of atom is called an element. Example, sodium. That is, an element is a pure substance in which all atoms have the same number of protons. Show the picture in the periodic table. All are the elements. Okay. Mixture. A mixture is a substance that contains two or more different substances together in any ratio. Example, air is an example of homogeneous mixture. That is two types of the mixture, that is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now the example of the homogeneous mixture. Okay, that is the air is the homogeneous mixture. Okay, now metalloids. Some elements show the property of both metals and non-metals. Such elements are called metalloid. Boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium are the few examples of metalloid. Show the yellow color box, that is in the periodic table, that is B boron, Si silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony is the metalloid. Okay. Sedimentation, the process in which a solid changes directly into its gaseous state without passing through its liquid states. Iodine, camphor, naphthalene, and ammonium chloride are sublimable substances. That is sedimentation, the particles suspended in the liquid heavier than this one are more attracted by gravity and therefore in a certain period of time precipitate on the bottom of the container. Okay, show the picture of the sedimentation. Okay, runoff water, rainwater that fall on land and flow into rivers, streams, and ocean. Okay, show the picture explained by the runoff water. Okay, now aquifer, the groundwater stored between the hard rocky layers between the water table. That is, water table, the level under the ground where the space between soil particles and rocks in fall with water. Okay, show the picture, explain aquifer. Okay, now discuss thermal pollution. Okay, the sudden variation in temperature of water in water bodies which adversely affects aquatic life. Thermal pollution is the discharge of effect effluents from industrial processes such as electric power generation, atomic power station, and other factories at temperature that can affect the life process of aquatic organisms. So the picture explain thermal pollution. Okay.
My dear viewers, now discuss eutrophication. Okay, a form a water pollution in which nutrient is fertilizers run off along with water and causes excess algal growth in water bodies. This picture explains eutrophication. Okay, please show the picture. My dear viewers, now discuss solubility. The ability of a substance to dissolve in a given liquid. Solubility is defined as the maximum amount of a substance that will dissolve in a given amount of solvent of a specific temperature. Now, show the picture explain solubility. Okay, thank you.
Now explain the troposphere. That is, it is the layer closest to the Earth's surface. It extends up to 17 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Okay, the clouds that we see appear in the troposphere. As the altitude increases, the temperature of this layer decreases. Okay, now show the picture, explain troposphere. Okay, thank you. Now discuss atmospheric humidity. Okay, the amount of water vapor present in the particular place is known as atmospheric humidity. Show the picture, discuss only for the atmospheric humidity. Okay. Now discuss foils. Okay. A substance that can undergo combination to product heat and light. Example, solid fuel, wood, coal. Next type fuels, that is liquid fuels, petrol, diesel, kerosene. Next type fuels, gaseous fuel, example LPG, CNG, and other gaseous fuel, biogas, coal gas. Okay. My dear viewers, now discuss photosynthesis, a process occurring in green plants in which carbon dioxide and water react in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce food, that is glucose C6H12O6 and oxygen O2. The reaction involved in photosynthesis is carbon dioxide and water with help of chlorophyll and sunlight form food, that is glucose and oxygen. Please show the picture, explain by photosynthesis.